Had no intention of teaching, none, zero. I used to tell my husband I was never going to be a teacher. My name's Amanda Robert. I've always loved being outside. I was the kid that my mom had to call in at sundown, climbing trees, stuffing, tadpoles and crawdads and anything I could find in my pocket. So I always was naturally drawn to God's creation outside. So what got me into teaching initially is that on a personal level, I could have that flexibility for my family as a wife and a mother. My master's is actually in biochemistry. And when I first came on at George Fox, they had me teaching some Gen Bio labs, our introductory biology course for non-majors at the time. And it was the spring of my first year here, 2014, that I met the other professor that teaches anatomy, and she took me under her wing, mentored me. We were talking and she asked what I did for research, and I studied hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. And she said, "Oh, that's interesting. Do you want to teach anatomy?" And she must have seen something in me that I didn't see in myself. It just felt like we became a team. I know I am who I am today because of that moment. That's the day I knew God, He put me on this path. Really, my passion now is just teaching students how fearfully and wonderfully we are made. There's the creation of nature, but then the creation of the human body is a whole nother ballgame that is so intricate and so beautiful. Now I get to share that with students. I really get to come alongside them in the years when they are developing life skills. And it's not just about I'm teaching you this specific subject, right? But we're praying together. We're wrestling with relationships, both intimate and friendships that they're losing and gaining, and just being able to partner with kids as they are becoming adults. I hope and I pray that I inform them with biblical truth, with a strong foundation for them to lead their families going out into this world, even if they never master the subject, which they should. It's more important for me that they know they are a light, and we're living in a dark world, and I want them to know you can be a pillar of light, and to carry that with them, maybe even into a clinical setting where it's not supported. They can be a steadfast tool that God's using. Learning about the human body shows us what God has done and how perfect His creation is.